Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a two-part series. So I decided last minute, based on the duration of the video, to put it in two parts. So this is part two. All right. So I was talking about in part two. It consists of the stuff I got from Amazon directly to Jamaica. Right. So I unboxed those stuff. And we're going to continue. All right, so this is what the first package I received from Tara. So I bought these pillows. I bought 2 packs of this, right? It's a set of 2, so it's 4 pillows in total. It's a hotel collection queen pillow, you know. Anyways, yeah, so I want to change the pillow them, so it was more affordable to purchase online, because I've been eyeing the Price Smart one, but it looked kind of expensive. So this was a deal because I didn't pay anything extra. I just paid it for the cost of the item. I come on my doorstep, right? Get a phone call on my doorstep. So it's 2 packs of this in it, and I purchased this because since the gender reveal and the wig that I wore, I went to this lady. First time I'm going to her because my cousin was unavailable. She had her birthday trip, right? So she couldn't install my wig. So I had to go to somewhere else. And I don't know what she used, but my head side, you know, I like what it look. So in COVID, I used to make my own oils, right? I used to give out to persons. That works, right? So I decided that I have no choice but to revisit it for myself. I did stop a long time ago. I get lazy. I'm just give it them for free. So I buy the supplies, make them and give them away for free. I never get the money from it. So, but I enjoyed it, right? I enjoyed doing it. So I didn't mind, but it cost me. So you send me for revisit it now, try fix my head side. So I had to, and this spill, but it's fine. You know, spill that bad. Cause it's still kind of foolish. So I had to, of course, get the Jamaican black castor oil. It's a must for me. So I got that in the thing spilled, and I can't more than complain about it, you know. But I don't much come out. I'm gonna need that much either. Miss the date. 2 years after me. Oh, see that? Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. And I also got these nipple shield for breastfeeding. Alright. Oh God. Testing. The last package, I literally just got it. Like, I had this set up and then I got a call. And by the time the call ended, I got a next call from a number I don't know. Only to find out it was Tara. Wait there. The next one I said, you know, mind you, I received one yesterday with my first package from Tara. This is my second package, right? Remember the next one, so I will show you what I got in the previous package we get yesterday. Anyways, so I'm gonna lift up this. I'm gonna lift up things too much. So open it, I'm gonna show you in it. So I literally was on Amazon to do this between the phone call from Tara and the previous phone call, that message Amazon I checked on these because it was on hold, right? From April the 13th, it's on hold by the carrier. So I thought, because it was the first order I did, right? And it's shipped by the AU export. So me say AU, so like Australia. So so I was like, you guys know it's coming to Jamaica, right? So I was told, to be honest, it will be delivered today. But it's still not update, not sure, not everything. So I say probably it really not coming. So my for just probably cancel it and reorder. I need the stuff. I need the stuff, right? And reorder. Only for them to say it is supposed to today. Them say it might reach. It's in Jamaica, but right, and it might reach tomorrow, the 23rd of April or 24th of April. So I'm giving you a little timeline because I know the bit of a backlog. But I don't see this baby ban everything. So, because I have to do this right now and upload, as I won't have any time to do that when the baby comes. Early stages. Me go back. I'll get back into it afterward. But the early days, my photos schedule right ahead of time. Alright, so this is anti-tip over furniture strap, pack of 10 for the furnitures. Right, so I got that. I also got the corner protectors. Then I bought my head and bust them forward, like me bust mine forward must twice. We get like a faja, right? I did get the original Colombian faja when I went to Colombia for my birthday last year, October. So I just got a next one, which from Amazon went for Colombia. But anyways, we get the faja first one from Colombia. Okay? I had normally when I go places I buy something as a souvenir, right? So this is one. It's an next faja, right? For recovery purposes. And then now, the more stuff for me buy in my entire lifetime of purchasing online. And I thought I had a humidifier, but instead I had a dehumidifier. I have an air purifier. I have a where one I can we put essential oil in a diffuser. And so why not complete the collection? Why not complete the collection? So this is a ultrasonic humidifier. So you know each of them has their own purpose, right? After the mic check, as you know, has their own purpose. But I've been using the air purifier. Trust me, work wonders, right? The diffuser has a time when I want to put essential oils and a certain aroma. I do still use the dehumidifier at certain stages. So this is really for the baby. So let's put the video done long already. I apologize. The video done long already, so I'm gonna show you. Come on. Let's see so much. Right all the time the video them long. And all the time the video them long. Watch you know. But yes, guys, let me pull this stories come my toffee. Them big though. Let me show you. All right, so wow, okay, so it's huge. I thought it was small, and but anyways, see here. So I will do a demonstration on TikTok. I need to build up my TikTok videos, so which is why I always encourage you guys to follow me on all socials at petals underscore discoveries, right? Instagram, TikTok. I've put it on TikTok and Instagram as well. And if it's short enough, on a YouTube short. I know not everybody use TikTok, right? So I will still try to modify it so I can put across the board. So with this humidifier, you can use it with essential oil as well. It light up. You get stuff to clean it. You have a sleep mode. Bare things. So I will give you a detailed thing. You see that either on a short if you're a YouTube person, or you might look it up on the IG or TikTok, wherever, but I'm everywhere. Okay? Quick rundown for the Amazon shipping to Jamaica. And by the time you guys see this, you guys should be seasoned already. But for those who are probably hesitant to try, this is all you have to do. So when you go on Amazon, right, you put in your address. So either I want it to be sent to your home address, your work address, wherever you feel comfortable, doesn't really matter. You put in your address, right? So in the country Jamaica, I put in the 876 as the zip code, and when one of the package was delayed, I see other persons just put in zeros. So I put zero in this because I thought I did something wrong, but it wasn't anything wrong. So if I put in 00876 as the zip code, and you can filter, I can probably show you, I can do a screen recording and put here so you can follow, right? You can filter by the free shipping. So once it's over $35, but under $100 for custom purposes, it is free. So once the order itself amounts to $35 or more, it is free shipping. But to avoid any additional charges like custom, ensure the total order is under $100, right? So because it's free shipping, I don't even think I pay tax either. Remember, on the order, it can actually split up the orders. You don't have to, oh my god, blah blah. No, right? You can say this is of this. I order this for $56. You can order this for $40, or you want to go up to $90. Fine, ship it. You want to buy something else? You wait a little bit, like 2 days, and I come the same time, and order the next set of stuff, because you're not paying on the extra. You just pay for the cost of the item you see on Amazon. So it's some persons get it quick. That's not in my case. I get it like 2 weeks after purchasing, except a dresser I bought. I ordered this dresser from March the 16th. Today is April the 20 something, make it 8. And it's scheduled to deliver May the 8th, right? The dress of them I wanted for the nursery. The dress of them out here expensive, right? Bad. And it not have enough drawers like the one we see, right? And the material them not good out anyways. So I ship that out here. Yes, I pay custom, but I'm not paying for the weight. See, I have to do the pros and cons of these things. If it's something urgent you need, you use a shipping company. If it's something that's not so urgent, you can do the free shipping to Jamaica, right? These things that I purchased directly to me are things I don't need right now. If I'm working for a brand, I stick to US address, right? I need it for review or for do whatever for the brand. I can't get a brand a certain address. You get me? So you have to do the pros and cons for these things. If it's worth it. Certain things you can buy out here locally, like Price Smart, like certain stuff, compare it, right? So that's what I do. So the dresser I will come out here is very heavy. The other cute ones I really want can't ship here. Unfortunately, it's limited. So the one where I get is wood. I never want a fabric dresser, is wood. So yeah, basically that's it. So any other question can up in the comment section below. Remember to like, share, comment, whatever, and subscribe. Follow me on all social at Petals Discoveries and catch me on the next video. So that is all I have for today. So take care. Bye.